Embroidery has long been a cherished art form, enabling artisans and hobbyists alike to embellish textiles with intricate patterns and designs that evoke a sense of beauty and craftsmanship. At the heart of this creative endeavor is the embroidery machine, a modern tool that offers precision and speed. My professional journey in the world of machine embroidery has offered me an invaluable perspective on the utilization and care of such machines, particularly those designed solely for embroidery purposes, like the Brother embroidery-only machines. Over the years, I have had the opportunity to experiment with a broad spectrum of these machines, spanning from the relatively straightforward PE 535 model to the highly sophisticated PR 1055X model. My hands-on experience with this diverse lineup has afforded me a comprehensive understanding of their functionalities and limitations. Starting with the PE 535 model, it is a machine that appeals to many because of its simplicity. It supports a maximum embroidery frame size of 4 inches by 4 inches and operates at a manageable pace of 400 stitches per minute. This model serves as an excellent entry point for beginners, offering a gentle introduction to the craft without overwhelming the user with complex features. Transitioning to the high-end PR 1050X model, this machine represents the pinnacle of Brothers embroidery technology. It is a powerhouse equipped with 10 needles, allowing for faster color changes and more efficient embroidery. Its sizable maximum frame of 8 by 14 inches furnishes ample space for larger, more ambitious designs. Operating at speeds of up to 1,000 stitches per minute, it significantly reduces the time required to bring elaborate embroidery projects to fruition. When evaluating the longevity of embroidery machines, I have discerned that a pivotal factor is their build quality. A machine's construction materials are a reliable indicator of its durability. To be more precise, the presence of metal components as opposed to plastic ones generally suggests a longer lifespan and reduced frequency of servicing. The maintenance of any embroidery machine is of paramount importance, as it ensures seamless operation and extends the machine's usage period, in turn providing better value for the investment made by the user. While the relation between build quality and longevity might seem straightforward, I feel it is essential to highlight that the operational speed of the machine also plays a significant role in determining its service intervals. Embroidery machines that run at higher speeds typically necessitate more frequent maintenance due to the increased wear on their internal components. Consequently, a harmonious balance between performance and care is crucial for maintaining the machine's efficiency. As you seek a durable and reliable embroidery-only machine, I cannot stress enough the importance of thoroughly assessing its build quality. Examine the machine components. Are they primarily made of sturdy materials, or are there numerous plastic parts? Answering this question will help you predict the frequency with which the machine will need servicing. Furthermore, your operational speed is another aspect you must be prudent about, as it has a direct impact on the machine's service intervals and overall longevity. To assist you in managing the embroidery speed, I offer the following recommendations. Let's consider the maximum speed capability of your machine. If it's rated at 400 stitches per minute, running it at a slightly lower speed, such as 350, is advised. For machines with a maximum speed of 650 stitches per minute, operating at 550 stitches per minute would be ideal. If your machine boasts a maximum speed of 850 stitches per minute, aiming for 700 stitches per minute will be beneficial. And if you possess a machine like the PR 1050X, which can achieve up to 1,000 stitches per minute, limiting the speed to around 800 stitches per minute may enhance its longevity. By adhering to these guidelines and operating your machine at a reduced speed relative to its maximum capacity, you'll not only extend its lifespan, but also enhance your embroidery experience. The incidence of thread breaks and tangles, which are common issues encountered by embroiderers, can be significantly lowered. This preventative measure can make a world of difference, allowing you to undertake and complete your design projects without unwelcome disruptions. A notable aspect to be cognizant of is the direct relationship between the quality of the internal mechanism in an embroidery machine and the running time between servicing. The intricate mechanisms of embroidery machines, particularly within the Brother brand, are generally designed in accordance with their maximum speed capabilities. This is fortunate for users, as it typically indicates a higher quality mechanism in machines that have higher maximum speeds, indirectly suggesting longer periods before maintenance is required. It is imperative, however, to approach the task of increasing your embroidery machine's speed with caution. While it is tempting to expedite the completion of projects by running the machine at peak speeds, doing so may lead to complications such as thread breaks or tangles. These problems are not only inconvenient, but could potentially inflict damage on the machine that might necessitate costly repairs. It is therefore wise to weigh the benefits of speed against the potential risks. Beyond speed considerations, there are myriad additional factors to keep in mind when utilizing an embroidery machine. Proper threading practices, appropriate tension settings, and routine maintenance are essential to its operation. Regular cleaning and lubrication of the embroidery machine play a pivotal role in its functionality, precluding the premature deterioration of vital parts. Such measures are indispensable in your journey to preserve and maintain your embroidery machine. Through my experiences, I have determined the following observations concerning the time between services, TBS, as they correlate with the maximum speeds for Brothers' domestic range of embroidery machines. For machines with a maximum speed of 400 stitches per minute, the TBS typically spans from 5 million to 8 million stitches. Machines capable of reaching 650 stitches per minute have a TBS ranging from 10 million to 15 million stitches. For those operating at 850 stitches per minute, the expected TBS is between 15 million and 20 million stitches. And at the top end, machines with a maximum speed of 1,000 stitches per minute can offer a remarkable TBS between 25 million and 40 million stitches. In sum, through conscientious adherence to best practices regarding speed and maintenance, users can safeguard their investment into an embroidery machine. Taking these actions ensures that the machine will persist through numerous years, continuing to generate exquisite designs without any operational problems. Whether engaging in a modest personal project or managing a sizable production, allocating the necessary attention and care is instrumental in influencing both the performance and longevity of an embroidery machine. If you enjoyed this video, then please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. Embrocraft has an embroidery design store on Etsy. If you need any designs for your next project, you'll find a link to the store in the video description. Thanks for watching.